All right, let's check out Wonder of the Sea Central Park. So we are coming in from the back of the ship. How are you, sir? And here on one side you have, actually we'll just do side by side. How does that sound? So here you got 150 Central Park. To start with, this is a little bit more, I want to say high end, but just a different taste. Here's the menu for you. Pause that and check that out. You got things like halibut, venison, duck, lobster thermidor is amazing, highly recommended. And here is the top of where the rising bar. Check out our promenade video. That's where it starts at the bottom on deck 5 and works its way up.
No.
And you can see they have 10,000 live plants on every Oasis class ship. You got these beautiful little areas that you can sit in, you can walk through. They each have individual art. Check out little Mr. Elephant there. You got all these trellises for the Trellis Bar that's over there. We'll see that in a minute. And here you have a hidden astronaut looking down on the promenade. And then we have Giovanni's kitchen. And I will walk on the outside so you can get a better look. Don't want to disturb people eating. Giovanni's kitchen, Italian food. The meatball appetizer is amazing. Their pizza is great. Another highly recommended specialty restaurant. And if I didn't say it before, 150 Central is an extra charge. Giovanni's here is an extra charge. And here you have vintages. Or is this considered Giovanni's wine bar? I'm not sure. But here you have the wine bar. Hello. Good, how are you? So yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, it is called Giovanni's wine bar. On some ships it is called vintages that doesn't have Giovanni's. So here we made it to the end. Not huge, but beautiful. And here we have a hidden rabbit with a giant pear. And now we're going to take a look down the other side. And all right, continuing on, you have the Effie shop. The nice little sitting area. Got beautiful plants everywhere. You have the regalia, which is part of the Effie shop. And right here we have Park Café. Let's take a look inside. Oh, let's go in through the main door. Want to do it right. Here you got some more seating. They will be playing music throughout the day. I think that's coming down from the top deck. But, you know, they'll have violin players here and others. But here we are at Park Café. This is included in your cruise fare. And it's going on lunchtime, so they will have grab and go stuff here. You got some cookies, granola bites, some fruit. They can make you a fresh panini. They got the roast beef sandwich. They will make you fresh salads here for lunch. Hello. And here you got your water, juices, and coffee. And then you can sit down, have a little light lunch snack. But there you go, Park Café. And we're going to go back the other way again. So there was Park Café. And yep, that is coming from the top. So it does get noisy. They got this all lit up. Well, they have lights on it. And I'll have to get some pictures of that and throw it over the top here so you can see it lit up at night for Christmas. Here is the Trellis Bar. Since they're taking up the whole walkway.
Have a pleasure meeting you.
There we go. And finally, to top off our Central Park tour is Chops Grill, the Royal Caribbean Steakhouse. You check that out. Cannot beat a 4-course, unlimited appetizers, unlimited sides. All right, and so that was your daytime tour of Central Park here on Wonder of the Seas. Now let's switch over and check it out at night when it's all lit up at Christmas time.